Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Anuj and today in this JavaScript tutorial I'll show you what is Array.slice method and Array.splice method. Both methods are very important. When we go to any e-commerce site and there we go to shop a product, so that time first we add to cart this product. So when we implement add to cart functionality, so that time Array.slice and splice method we use. So now I will go to the HTML file and I'll show you the example. So here you can see I have taken one array. The variable name is ARR and here some multiple values I have stored. So the syntax is first array, then the method name and then start index and length. So here I have used this syntax here. So for me this one is the array because this array I stored in this variable. So ARR and after that the method name. So I have written this method name, then start index I have written 1 and the length I have written 4. So what is the purpose of use? So if you want to cut any array values, so that time we use slice method. So first is start index. So index start from 0. So if I count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So here I have written 1 means 0, 1. So it will start to cut from here. And I have written length 4. So length start from 1, index start from 0. So here if I count from 1, so 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So I have written 4. So it will start to cut from here to here because it will start to count from one index means this one because 0 and 1. And if you count the length, so length start from 1, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the output will be from here to here. Okay, and I have console, so I will go to the browser and I will check. So here you can see the output, this one. So now you can change the value and you can see the output. So if I write here 2, then you can guess the output and you can write in the comment section. So if your output is 0, 1, 2, okay, means it will start from here and length is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 means if your output is developer how, so you are correct. Now I will open the browser and I will check the expected output I'm getting or not. So here you can see our output is as our expectation. So here I hope it is clear. Now this slice method, here you can pass the negative value. Negative value means start index we can't pass negative. Here the length, so length if I write only, if I don't write start index, just simply if I write length minus 4, so that means it will start to count from 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so see the output once, developer how are you? I hope you are getting. And now I will show you the next method, which is splice method. So I'll go to the HTML file again and I will explain how this method works. So guys, here you can see the syntax of Array.splice method and I will explain this method. So here first you have to understand the purpose of use. This method delete even add the values. Okay, so it works for both. So here how it works, now I will explain. So first I have written Array.splice, this is the syntax, then start index. Index means you know it start from 0 and delete count. Okay, so first I will take those two parameters. Okay, in this example. So here what I have written, array. Array means for me this one. Okay, I have written. Then dot splice, which is method name. You can see here I have written the same. Now start index. Start index I have written 1. Then delete count I have written 2. So if I write here only two parameter values, means start index and delete count, that means I'm using this splice method for deleting purpose. Okay, so here start index 1, so 0, 1 means it will delete from here. Okay, now delete count, how many items you want to delete from an array. So I have written 2 means it will start from here and it will delete 2 items. So if I count from here 1 and 2 mean this 2 and 3, those two value will be removed from this array. Okay, so if I console after this, So what will be the output? If your guess is, output will be 1, 4, 5 because 2 and 3 is removed by this splice method. So you are correct. So let's see the output. So here 1, 4, 5 because 2 and 3 I have deleted from this array. So this is the using for delete purpose. Now if I want to add some values, so here comma, now whatever value you want to add, you can add here. Suppose I want to add one string value, okay, hello, you can add here string, number, boolean, anything. So here I want to add one string value which is hello and another one is number which is 10. Okay, so now what will be the output? So output will be first 1, means it will start from 1, then I am deleting 2 items, so it will delete those 2 items, 2 and 3, and after that I am adding 2 items. Okay, you can guess the output and you can write in the comment section. It is very simple. I will show you in the browser what will be the output. See, 1, then deleted 2 items, right? So 2 and 3 is deleted. So here in the place of 2 and 3 I have added hello and 10. So 1, then hello, 10, after that 4, 5 because 2 and 3 is deleted. See, 1, hello, 10, then 4, 5. If you don't want to delete any array but you want to add the values, so you can write here delete count 0. That means it won't delete any array values. Okay, just it will add only. So that time what will be the output? You can see here 1, then hello 10, then 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Means that time it not deleting anything, just simply adding 2 values. I hope guys it is clear. If you have still any doubt, you can write in the comment section, or if you find this video is helpful, so please like this video, also subscribe my channel to get more update in JavaScript.